In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated PDF reports in Monday.com. You're about to discover how simple it is to streamline your reporting process. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com. This platform is well known for helping teams manage their work in a highly visual and collaborative space. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the login option at the top right corner of the page. Choose the Google sign-in option, which will prompt you to select the Google account associated with your Monday.com account. This is an easy and secure way to access your projects. Once you are successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner again, and you will notice the Marketplace icon. Clicking here will lead you to a variety of apps and integrations that can expand the platform's capabilities. In the search bar, type PDF Report Generator. This is the tool we will use to automate report generation. Once you find the PDF Report Generator app in the search results, click on it to learn more about how it integrates with your workflow. Next, click the Install App button to begin the process of adding this powerful tool to your account. After that, you'll be asked to specify where you want to install the app. Choose all workspaces, so it becomes available to you across different projects and teams you're working with. Now, confirm the installation by clicking the Install button. With the app installed, it's time to put it to use. To do this, go to the board you'd like to generate a report for. Simply select a board from your workspace that contains the data you wish to include in your PDF report. Once you've decided on the right board, click on Add App to integrate the PDF report generator into your workflow. This step essentially enables the board to utilize the app's features. Now, you'll need to select the specific board again to generate the report. The interface will guide you through setting the parameters for your report. With everything set, the last step is to click on the Download button. This button initiates the generation of your automated PDF report. Once it's ready, the report will download directly to your device, giving you immediate access to your organized data. And there you have it, an efficient way to automate your reporting tasks in Monday.com. Thanks to the PDF report generator, you can quickly produce reports with just a few clicks, making your data management smoother and more efficient. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out other videos for more tips on optimizing your workflows.